One of the node graph's strongest features is how flexible you can be when creating complex masks. A mask consists of black and white pixels to hide and reveal a layer or material on top of another. It can be as simple as a single layer or an intricate web of nodes or group of nodes connected together. Two or more layers are connected with merge nodes. The bottom layer goes into the base input and the layer on top is plugged into over. Any node plugged into the mask slot defines the areas where the over layer will be revealed or hidden. You can start creating a mask with a solid paint layer, a procedural noise or tileable, or a geochannel. Geochannels are placeholders for separately baked support maps like curvature and ambient occlusion. Mari also has geometry-based procedural nodes such as position and surface normal to help you define exactly where you want your mask to go. You can add bake points to your mask network to optimize your scene and speed up the viewport. Mari 5 offers an additional feature to bake points to add procedural filters like blurs to your network. Combining this with other new features like interactively placed gradients allows you to unlock even more creative opportunities.